Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to this display section, advanced, and here you have night light. You can turn it on here, you can set a schedule for it, and you can also change its intensity. And you can also switch night mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.